The Philippine agriculture sector grew by 0.93% in the first half of 2012.
Although fisheries registered a decline for the first semester, the good news is it will recover.
Mag-i-stabilize na ho yan. Ang isa pa ho tingnan natin, yung epekto ho ng baha sa, kahit ho bumaha sa Central Luzon, mapapansin po ninyo, yung presyo po ng mainstay po natin, tilapia and bangos, hindi po masyado naapektuhan. This is the result, of course, of the availability of bangus and tilapia in Taal Lake, na hindi po naman tinamaan ng fish kills.
A bright spot is the crop sector. Palay and corn posted positive growth. Good weather and appropriate interventions, which include more irrigated areas and the provision of quality seeds, provided the inputs for a record second quarter harvest of 3.9 million metric tons, 10% higher than last year's 3.54 million metric tons. It was the same for corn, which posted a 4% increase from 1.4 to 1.45 million metric tons. For the whole of 2012 total harvest, who will hit a record harvest of 17.8 million metric tons from last year's 16.68 metric tons. Despite the recent flooding brought about by Ferdi and Hener, Agriculture's Secretary Proceso Alcala said their projections are on target.
Ito pong mga na-flood talaga, na wala ng chance to recover, ay bibigyan po ng tulong ng pamahalaan ng libreng pananim. Certified seeds po, plus we will give them incentive na meron po silang libreng crop insurance, 10,000 for every hectare na kanilang tataniman. So yun po gagawin din po pala natin doon sa mga mag-third crop. It's a very good incentive po na nakikita namin para habulin po nila ito.
Alcala said the expected record harvest ensures the government's rice self-sufficiency program is on target. According to him, rice importations will be minimal for 2012. The figure is 500,000 metric tons. The good news is the Philippines will again export rice next year.
Kung mayroon man po tayong pagkukulang, ay halos po very minimal na talaga yung ating kakailanganin. At ang importante po, again, i-remind ko po ang bawat isa sa inyo, we will start to export next year, whatever happens. Kung tayo man po ay may kakulangan ng konti, we really need to start exporting kasi we need to develop the market. Hindi po pwedeng kung kailan sobra na, saka po tayo naghahanap ng merkado.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.
Para maipakita sa bukod na yung quality ng diin ngayon kesa sa dati. We are not encouraging. Even yung iba na gusto ulit